Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Rosie because she is beautiful and she can sing many wonderful songs.
So there are 4 Easter eggs here. Can you guys find the 4 Easter eggs?
I can find one
Okay, where is it?
on the taxi.
On the text.
Why was 6 afraid of 7, guys? Because 7, 8, 9. If we count from 7, right? It's 7, 8, 9. 8 is eat in past tense. So the joke here is 7, 8, 9.
Right, and let's go on. So we have 2 choices. Do you guys want to go to the boat or the bridge?
Bridge. Bridge.
Boat?
Bridge.
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 Okay, let's go. Oh no, so now we climb the mountains and now we have a different problem. Oh no, it begins to rain. So what will you do? Do you guys want to climb back down or keep climbing?
Keep climbing.
Keep climbing. Perfect. Yay! You finally arrived at the top of the mountain.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my mom.
Your mom? Why is your role model your mom?
My mom is kind, intelligent, and wise. My mom.
All right, hi everyone. It was really fun getting to see you guys and talking.
Very fun.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Daniel.